September 11, 2001.
From Afghanistan to global terror network.
The hunt was relentless. A secret fortress in plain sight.
Leaders faced an impossible choice.
Every move was meticulously planned. Only the best were chosen. Only the best were chosen. Every angle was monitored.
The team knew the risks.
Night became their ally.
Precision was everything.
Gunfire erupted immediately.
The target was finally reached.
Time was critical for extraction.
Team departed under pressure. A malfunction added the risk.
The team adapted instantly.
The objective was achieved. Team shared vital intelligence immediately.
The operation. Families of 9/11 victims mourned and hoped for justice.
Intelligence teams quietly celebrated the success.
Global media. Global media reported on the unprecedented
The host
operation.
nation reacted with political caution.
Experts dissected every aspect of the operation.
The world adjusted to a new security paradigm.
Tributes honored those lost in the 9/11 attacks.
Every detail was analyzed for success.
Technical issues tested the mission's resilience.
Coordination spanned multiple agencies.
Months of preparation made the difference.
A critical lead emerged.
Every option was weighed carefully.
Laden Secrecy was paramount. They know we're here. Move.
Team received final instructions.
The helicopters approached under cover of darkness.
Precision landing ensured mission success. Every room cleared methodically. Stack up. Breach. Clear. Right side.
The target was finally located.
Time was critical for extraction.
The team departed safely under pressure.
An unexpected crash tested the team.
The team adapted instantly to the crash.
The operation succeeded against all odds.
The team conducted a thorough debrief immediately.
Collected intelligence was analyzed meticulously.
Media outlets reported worldwide.
World leaders reacted cautiously and strategically.
Families of 9/11 victims felt relief and grief.
High-level communications ensured mission success.
Countries strengthened security in response.
Tributes honored those lost.
The operation marked a historic moment.
Experts reviewed every tactical decision. Experts reviewed every tactical decision.
A panel of journalists, including a Hispanic male journalist and a South Asian female journalist, debated ethics and legality.
Unexpected issues tested planning and adaptability.
The SEALs reflected on the mission's intensity. The raid fit into a larger history of global counterterrorism.
Of training ensured readiness.
Coordination across agencies was seamless.
Final checks and briefings were conducted.
Team moved to undercover of forest.
Each room was cleared methodically.
The target was positively identified.
The mission achieved its primary goal.
Team extracted under extreme pressure.
The team departed successfully.
A helicopter malfunction tested the mission.
The team adapted quickly to unforeseen challenges.
We went to court for a loop. The raid had worldwide political and social effects.
Memorials and tributes honored those affected.
The operation marked a pivotal moment in history.